Guys, look, when you don't have a battery, this is what happened. When you don't have a battery, it try to tell you this. Here's the battery. Tawheed, what did you do to the battery? Oh, wait, it's loading. Whoa, Windows, go ahead, Apple. Yes, one more time, guys. People who does not know what is TPM or whatever that thing. Oh, somebody spilled a coffee here. Let's go. No TPM error. Let's go. That's right, boss. I said it doesn't even reimburse it. It's like, alright. It's alright, Tawheed. You know what? It's okay. We're gonna get. You can run this thing without the battery. It's okay. I don't need my card. You can just turn me on from the wall. Alright, so everything got sealed up right there. Everything properly sealed. You know, my screwdriver is all set. Ooh, we got more left. Oh yeah, that's from the battery. So I'm gonna have to save that. 3, 2, 1. Load up. Red button. Completely clean energy. So that's clean energy, guys. That's a really clean energy. No batteries at all. It got battery? Oh no, it got a dead sign on it. It really got a dead sign at the top, guys. Look at that. So basically saying 255 available, plugged in, 255 available. That does not make any sense. It's saying it's detecting more energy, matter of fact. I want to click it and see what shows detail, right? No battery present, guys. No battery present. Where's my light, yo? I want to turn on my light. Light, boom. That's right. And my gangster Samsung Evo SSD. Where is my SATA hiding? This one. You have this plus that. Yo, this thing gonna be CDC. Peace.